Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. If you are thinking about getting a home insurance in 2025, Lemonade Home Insurance might be a perfect choice for you. So today I will break down Lemonade's offers, like its pricing, its pros and cons, and whether it would be the right fit for you or not, okay? So keep watching this video because I'm gonna talk about everything you need to know about Lemonade. For people who don't know what is Lemonade, it's an AI-powered insurance company that is making getting home insurance fast, affordable, and hassle-free. So unlike other traditional companies, Lemonade is using technology. Okay, so now let's go to the website of Lemonade. I will leave you the link in the description. So all you need to do is to click on it and you will go directly to this home page. So you're gonna find a lot of categories. You're gonna find if you want to get insurance for your car, or if you want to get insurance for your home, renters, or for your pet. Okay, so there are a lot of other categories that you can choose, but for today's video we want for home insurance. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on check out our prices, and after clicking on check out our prices, you're gonna find Maya that is gonna start asking you some questions in order to give you a quote. Okay, so guys, what you need to do first, which is she's gonna ask you if you opened your account or not. So if you did, click on yes. If no, click on no. So for example, we don't have an account, so let's click on no, and after she's gonna ask you which type of insurance you want. So for example, if you want for home, you can choose home. If you want for car, you can choose for car. If you want for pet, you can choose for pet. So it depends on your needs. So for example, in today's video we said we want home insurance, so you are looking for a home insurance. So all you need to do is to click on home, and after click on next, and after Maya, she's gonna start asking you some questions. So for example, in our case, we didn't create an account, so she's gonna ask us about our name and surname. So just enter your name, and after she's gonna ask you about your address. So it's important, really important, your address and zip code, like give them all or the full address and make sure that it's correctly, because it's important. And also they're gonna ask you other questions, for example, if you are single or if you are living with another partner, how many people they are in the home, if it's an apartment or just a home. So questions like this, so they can have an idea about the home. Okay, so as I said, try to give them the correct answers because this is something important, so don't miss this point. Okay, and after they're gonna ask you to enter your email because they're where they're gonna contact you. Okay, so make sure you give them the correct email. Don't make a mistake in it, because if you did a mistake when you're gonna choose your plan and they're gonna contact you, you will not receive any email. Okay, so for future emails you need to enter your email and then accept all their terms and conditions, and they're gonna start offering you a plan. So see that plan. If it's good for you, you can just choose it. And to do checkout, it's easy. Just click on it and choose your payment method, enter your details, and you can pay easily, and like this you are insured from Lemonade. Okay, so it's as easy as that. And when they're gonna give you a price, make sure to know what is covering exactly. Okay, because there are three types of coverage in Lemonade. So the first thing, which is basic coverage, it protects your home against fire or water damage, etc. And there is also liability protection. It covers legal expenses, like if someone gets injured on your property. And there are some additional coverage, you can add them, okay, by yourself. You can add protection for expensive gadgets or jewelry. Which is good about Lemonade is it's easy and fast to sign up and claim them. And you saw this with your eyes in this video. We signed up very fast, and you can pay very fast and get insured without any problems, and everything is going faster. And also the prices are affordable compared to other companies, and also it's one of the fewest companies now who are doing AI chatbot to get insured. So it's going with you step by step until you signed up and until you get your plan. So for their service, I think it's one of the best because it's relying on technology, which is helping customers to sign up fast and for getting affordable prices and for like getting good customer service. But which is bad about it, which is it's not like available in all the states. So guys, you need to go and make sure that it's available in your state, because as I told you, Lemonade yet is not available in all the states, and this is why you need to go and make sure that it's in your state or not. And if he says, you can just go ahead and follow all these steps. If it's not, unfortunately, it's not for you. So guys, this was the video. I talked about Lemonade. I showed you how you can sign up to Lemonade and how you can get your price and get insured. So now, based on everything we talked about in this video, you can decide if it's right for you or not. If it's the right one and you want to get insured from Lemonade, click the link in the description to start getting insured from them. But I want to tell you guys that Lemonade is not the only insurance company that is using or relying on technology and AI in their service, but also there are some other companies, for example, like Hippo. We can talk about Clear Cover also. So there are other companies who are using technology and also they have a good service. So this was the video. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get more other helpful guides, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.